Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G30 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings category. At the last one position here we have the watermark option, so let's tap on it. And now we get access, as you can see, to the preview with 3 watermarks. So we have the timestamp watermark, which appears here, the device watermark, also it appears here and gives us the second view, how it looks like, and with the device is connected the third one, the signature. So here we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset. And it appears here also in the second line, so this is how it looks like in the preview. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how these watermarks looks like at the real one. To see the photo, let's move to the right now to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is it. The watermarks appear at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. And from the left we have the Motorola watermark shot on Moto G30 with the custom hard reset. From the right we have the timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them, we can go back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, slide again to the capture settings category, pick the watermark option and use these buttons to turn them off. So for now, when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.